Trying to lose weight, but dinner is where everything goes wrong? These weight loss soups for dinner help you eat full meals and still wake up lighter. Most people eat heavy dinners, feel bloated at night, and wonder why fat loss stalls. Dinner should calm your hunger, not spike insulin. I'll show you fat-burning, protein-rich soups that keep calories low and metabolism active while you sleep. Every weight loss soup must have high protein, high fiber, low oil, no refined carbs. If your soup misses these, fat loss slows. Packed with fiber and plant protein. Keeps you full, controls blood sugar, and kills night cravings. High protein, low calorie, and perfect for stubborn belly fat. Best choice on low-carb days. Umami flavor without cream. Add tofu or paneer for a metabolism boost. Spices raise body temperature, improve digestion, and support fat burning overnight. Avoid cream-based soups, corn soup, potato soup, store-bought packet soups. They spike calories silently. Soup plus bread cancels fat loss. Let the soup be the meal. If you want simple dinners that burn fat, not store it, like this video, subscribe to Flip Fit Yourself, and comment soup. I'll drop a 7-day soup dinner plan next.